Hi, I am Luv Grover. I am from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my undergraduation in BCom Honours from Delhi University. Currently, I am pursuing my post-graduation in Banking and Financial Services domain at IMI New Delhi. I interned at one of the leading global credit rating agencies, CRISIL. My project revolved around the impact of generative AI on the non-BFSI sector. The challenge that I faced was regarding data collection. Although there is a vast pool of data available, but some critical aspects which were important to conclude the project were hard to find. How I overcame this hurdle was by taking help from my team and reaching out to companies directly as a primary source of data collection and reading their financial statements, investor presentations and various other documents as a secondary source of data collection. The output generated by my project was used by the team to understand the business risk of their clients while assessing their credit ratings. A couple of key takeaways from my internship were: there is vast amount of data available in the public domain, but how to read it, interpret it and showcase it in such a way that it satisfies the needs of multiple stakeholders is a task. Another takeaway was, as opposed to the general misconception of AI being a fad and going viral on social media, I believe it is a technology which is here to stay and keep helping companies improve their efficiency and output.